Alright, YouTube, as you saw, the first double B we did today was amazing. We had 3 big boys, a holo, so there was something in every pack. That's amazing. You don't see that type of stuff. So I have to say, this was really great. 2 things I could have added to the binder. Hopefully we can do some more. Maybe we can get some more, right? Because there are a few cards I still need. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we can get. Maybe we'll get a Charizard. Okay, I hate that y'all had to like hear that instead of watching it, but I prefer opening big things off screen instead of hitting the camera like I did last time. Okay, so far everything looked good and cards don't look tampered with. Oh man. Happy days, happy days. So let's see what we get today. I just want some stuff to add to the binder. And if I get a duplicate, let it be Charizard. Alright. And once again, the same type of reverse card I already got in the last pack. But you see that shininess? A suspicious food tin. And you know what? This is the one go card I do have already. Yeah. I wish it was something different. But you know what? If it's going to be a duplicate, let it be one of the big boys. And this is a big boy. So we still got a great pull. A reverse. Now this I might not have, so that's pretty good. And we have a wombo combo double whammy. Hatterene holo. I already have this, so. But you know what? It's good to have as a holo if it's going to be a duplicate as well. Maybe I can do a trade with somebody. Who knows? Reverse. Oh, a big boy. And it's the one I needed because I had the VMAX of the Evolved. And here's that Acremy V. This is one I needed for the binder. This is great. It's the big boy I needed. Man, these pre-ordered ones from Amazon has been coming up with some great pulls. And this definitely makes up for all the little tampered with fake cards I've got prior. Reverse, I already have. And Senti Scorch Holo, which I already have. A Wombo combo, double whammy. So we got 3 to 4 cards to add to the binder. Not bad. So we still got 3 more doubles coming in the mail. So hopefully those haven't been tampered with. They could probably give me the pulls I need to finish off the set. So this is going to be a short one. Nothing much else to talk about. I already went through all the news with the last video. So go ahead, leave some likes, some comments. Definitely subscribe. and enjoy.